dumplings. Let's get cozy as we're going to be making my new 2026 mood board. I'm going to talk about how everything on my 2025 mood board came true. Even the things that I didn't think were gonna happen, happened in the past week, a week before New Year, which is actually kind of insane. Everything happens for a reason, and I believe in the power of manifestation very much. Thank you. Let me show you my mood board. This is my 2025 mood board. I had a video called How to Glow Up in 2025 or something like that, and I talked about this mood board in it and how I pretty much flipped my life around in 2025. Please watch that video, it's actually so good. Like, I'm so proud of it. Anyway, back to the future. Also, I want to make this 100 times cuter. Step 1 is Pinterest galore. Literally the best social media ever created on earth. Yeah, just make a 2026 board and pin everything that you feel like resonates with you for the new year. Step 2, make it your own, and I do this by going on Canva. So I like to put all my pictures on Canva, add text on top of it. I like to do more than I probably need so that I have some options later on. Today is literally Christmas Eve and I stopped by Boots to print out my pictures for the new one. So let's see. Here are the 2026 pictures. I can't believe it's 2026. I think 6 was supposed to be my lucky number. 222, manifesting. We have the moon, guys. I love the moon. I have a thing about the moon. And we have a little writing saying I was born a star. And we have the number 14,000. So let's aim for 14,000 subscribers. You know, I believe in us. I believe in my dumpling army. I think we can take over the world. An old computer picture, and it's like a reference to physical media. If you haven't noticed, I love collecting physical media. This is a picture of baby me and I love it. It gives such superstar energy. And I put the quote, "I'm a star, how could I not shine?" which is from a Kanye song, and I really love that lyric. Japanese is such a hard language and I don't expect to learn it this year, but I just want to improve it, and I want to go back to Japan because I had such a fun time there and I really liked it, so I want to go back. A picture of Rachel Green from Friends reading. She was reading The Shining. She was so into it in that episode. I want to read more books that make me just obsessed. I want to write my own book. I've always wanted to write my own book. When I was in first grade, I wrote a mini book, quotes from The Matrix. I just think The Matrix is so good on so many levels. I have album by Edelina and I'm gonna keep the picture hidden. I think this will be my album cover and I'm so excited to have a little mini album for you and for me. I have Sailor Moon because she's just vibes. Twilight. Bella and Edward were really something. Like, they were obsessed with each other, and that's how it should be. It shouldn't be no way for me to lose, really, because it's true. If you don't give up, how are you gonna lose? Everybody's trying to be Britney. You should be yourself, that's the thing. And she's a trendsetter and she didn't listen to trends, she set them. I have The Matrix again. Life is what I make it. This is actually a quote from my mom that she's been telling me since I was very young. Girlie was doing nothing and getting all the attention. That's what I want. Like, Girlie was literally just breathing and people were like, oh my god. I love that. She's kind of iconic for that. I love that quote. There's something about it. There's something about it that's so powerful, feminine. Yes, sir. I have PCOS, so I want to make sure my period is healthy and regulated. But also, I just want to assert dominance with my pads. It's not that deep. My presence sweet and my aura bright. Yeah. I'm going to graduate first class honors. Period. Then we have some extra stuff that I found on Pinterest. I love swag. I am swag. We are swag. Bring back swag. Bring back old Zendaya swag Instagram posts. I like to be anything you want. Bring back baby Justin Bieber. He was something. This Miu Miu tag, I have this Chanel tag, and I have this Vivienne Westwood tag that I got. I'm going to add those as well because I love these brands. They're really cool, they're really pretty, and I would love to be an ambassador. You got nothing to lose. If somebody says that you're crazy, be like, yes. And I would literally rather be delusional and crazy than just sit depressed saying how miserable life is, you know? It's time to arrange and frame your final printed pictures. This is me just vibing. Yeah, just sit on the floor, play some music. Making progress. I printed out too many pictures, but looking really good. Also, I'm watching Modern Family. I haven't started sticking them to it yet. These are the old ones. It's taking a while. I have a backache. I feel like I should have stretched for this. This feels like a workout. I had to decorate it and make it very ethereal. This is taking so long, but I will show you the progress that I've made so far. It's all done, it's all set up. I just have this fabric over here, so I think I'm gonna put that around the black edges. I kind of don't like them and I feel like it's gonna look really Really pretty if I had that. And we have trusty super glue, Precision Max. Look at that attention to detail. Ignore this, ignore this. I need to glue this down. I need to buy new super glue, okay? You haven't met baby. Say a little prayer for you. Ta-da! I love the lace. The lace was my greatest idea of 2026 so far, and it's just started. This is her designated spot, so I am very excited. Oh my god. Favorite mood board I have done so far in my life, and I've done them a lot. It was like a really cheap black frame that I got from Tesco, but I like that you can see the black through the lace. It really makes it stand out more. I love it. Also, I wanted to show you this. I updated my little table beneath the mood board, and I recently built this. Look. Yeah. Oh, she fell. Stand up. This took me hours. This took like 5 hours, not gonna lie. Ta-da! Ta-da! Pozdrowienia! Are you enjoying the breeze?
A bit strong.
A bit strong.
Birthday to you. Whoa! Wait, no, before you blow all of them. Oh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Great to home.
Bye, Phantom. The contrast between this and the... This is Grandpa's little farm. Виждам.
Не виждаш, че тук.
Nice. Добре свършена работа.
Чекай, още има.
Baby. This picture of Grandma and Grandpa. I remember, I think I took this.
Ти имаш ли место за три?
Imam.
Oh
Oh my god, I look the same. Twin, we're happy. Why am I crying? Me when I start. Jedno, dwie, trzy, brawo! Brawo!
Дадоха да обърнали настрани, не съм виждала.
Hi.
Is it New Year?
Yeah!
Where's the, oh my god!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Edelina!
Happy New Year! What? Happy New Year, guys!
This is it for my mood board video. Ow! Yeah. Off to a good start. No, I am genuinely so excited for 2026. I just feel like it sounds really good. It sounds really positive. It's the new 2016. Happy 2016! Thank you, Dumplings, for sitting with me through the years. I hope this inspires you to make your own mood board. Obviously, the mood board is not magical. It won't magically make everything happen. You need to make it happen for yourself. But it's a lovely reminder about your goals for the year. Love you!